here because I'm gonna help her get makeup. Here at Walmart because, you know, girl on a budget. Oh, what is this? That's attractive. And I am here because I'm gonna help her get makeup and teach her how to do makeup for real cheap, you know. So my girls out there on a budget, your girl got you. Let's get started. It comes two. That's easier to blend in the foundation with. One. Hey guys, I am back here at Walmart. Now I'm here only because I filmed some of the footage for Marjorie's makeover and it didn't turn out right, so that's why I'm back here trying to found her foundation. Marjorie's foundation, I believe she was True Nude, so I'm gonna see if I can intertwine my footage that I filmed before and this one, but just in case you guys didn't see, she used Rimmel London Match Perfection. This is the one we got her, and that's the one that matches closely enough to her skin tone. What we didn't film actually was the concealer. We ended up getting her concealer from the Wet n Wild collection. It was this one that I filmed a test, or that you will see me post. It was the Wet n Wild Concealer Photo Focus, and we got her in the shade Ivory. We ended up getting her a brush. It wasn't this brush, but it was something like this. It was the powder brush from the Wet n Wild collection, and that's what you're gonna see later on in the video. I just want to reminisce and show you guys this in case the footage that I got wasn't clear enough. Then I came here and we ended up getting her contour kit in Dulce de Leche. This ended up being bomb for her. I opened this up and I matched her skin real quick just to see if this was the right contour shade for her. We gotta get you the highlights, so we're gonna get you a good highlight. This is gonna be Botanic Dream. So we open this just to make sure we got a good contour shade. So we have our contour, we have our highlights, we have our brush, we have the foundation. So since you have straight eyelashes, you're gonna need an eyelash curler. So we're gonna get you a simple one. This is just gonna help curl your lashes, and then you could just put the mascara on top. And I'm gonna buy one for myself because, you know, I gave mine away. We're gonna use this one. We're gonna use this blush. About this mascara all the time, but I just want to stress how bomb this mascara is. This is the L'Oreal. This is the one that I made her get. This is the Lash Paradise, and it's so good. It's so bomb. I recommend it to anyone and everyone who does not have that in their collection to buy it because it's just that bomb. We also got their primer from that. We got the hydrating primer. There's no more in here, but this is the one that we got. What would you want? I prefer you. Yeah. I feel like I look weird with burgundy. This would be nice. So this is like a mixture of both. Focus. Oh, that is nice. We ended up getting a teddy bear because, you know, teddy bear was bomb. We ended up getting teddy bear, and then we also ended up getting Bahama beige. So we have our highlights. We're gonna put these. And the holy grail, loose powder air spun right here. This is bomb. We're gonna take 2 of these because you can never go wrong. So we found her foundation. So we have foundation, then you're gonna set it with your honey beige. Then after that's set, you're gonna go ahead and contour with the Wet n Wild. Then you can also set it with this under your eye since it has a little bit of yellow. Then we have the brush. I'm gonna get her this brush because this brush is bomb. It's from Milani. It's a kabuki fan, which is so good. Then once that's set, she has this to apply the foundation with. She has her highlight to go on top of that, and mascara, because mascara is bomb with her mascara curler. So we have all of this under a budget, and all this extra stuff is mine. And this is her 2 lipsticks that we got her. We have Teddy Bear from Milani, and we have Bahama Beige. So we are all set. Later on, we also came back to Walmart with Adri, and we ended up getting her a makeup bag because I ended up going through all of her things and telling her what to get rid of. And this is my way of transitioning to that video. Oh, we're here going through Adri's makeup, trying to find out what's up in this bag. Like, bro, I'm about to get you a makeup bag. Like, Merry freaking Christmas. Look, this bar is just gonna be in the way, but it's okay.
Look, I have that.
So she has the Too Faced natural. Damn, this is old throwback. She got nothing in it. No, but you could use this as a nice highlight. So
oh, I can highlight with here
with eyeshadow. So you can use
with eyeshadow.
Look, I'm gonna show you. Right here is the high. Oh, not where that pimple is. Right here on this side. Just put it on the highest point of the face, and you see natural highlight. You don't even gotta buy it. You have that.
You see that? I'm glad I bought this. Then I have this. I don't know what that's
Elf brush. Oh, this is good. You could use this as a contour brush.
I could use it as a contour. You see?
So you don't have to buy that. Yeah, perfect. It's an angled brush. Any angled brush is good for contour as well. I saw this color and I was like, girl. But no, this color, we're good. We're good. She got this. Yeah. Good from Elf. Okay.
So I ain't doing that bag.
You know.
That bag for an old woman. This is like old. Like that's old.
This is bomb. What you mean? I have this one. I have this exact same one. It's so good.
Oh.
From Artistry. I put this on my What's in My Bag tag video. Any of you guys remember? She good. She good. Yeah, brow filler. From that's Avon. Okay, Avon. What is this?
Listen.
¿Qué es esto? Explícame.
It's for my eyebrow. Yo, why you gotta judge me?
Oh, it's a stamp.
It's because I have no eyebrows, so yeah.
Wait, is this a stamp down here?
Yeah, it's something like that, I think. Yeah.
Can you do it on her?
No!
Oh my god, wait.
I'm gonna look retarded. I'm gonna look retarded.
On Adri?
Yeah. I don't. Easy. I'm gonna look so
this
retarded.
brow is like huge. Okay, so we're gonna do like that.
I can't see.
Oh hey.
Sorry. That's okay. No, it's fine.
So
it looks retarded, right?
Yeah. Cause see, as much as this has the arch,
it doesn't give you the arch.
It doesn't, cause you would literally have to like be here, and then you would. I mean, you could still use this if you want. You would just have to clean it up with the concealer. It's honestly, it would be just easier to fill it in and use the stamp itself as brow product. So I'm saying you're good with brow products. Where'd you get? By Kiss. Okay.
I want to see Walgreens.
There's 2 brows. Oh, this is...
That brow's missing.
Yeah.
Your brow's missing. I should have started with Adri because this is hilarious. Okay, this you can use for a blush.
Blush.
So that one stick to contour. This one you can use as a blush brush.
Perfect.
That's lipstick, mascara. You're good. Setting powder. Because see how this has a tint to it?
Yeah.
You got to make sure it's not too yellow for you. Prime and stay finishing powder. Light medium. Well, it's light medium, so this should be fine for you. Más Avon stuff. Proud sponsor. Que está dañado. You should throw this out.
Yeah, that needs garbage.
More Avon stuff.
Yo,
Una tapa de Avon.
Missing what? God knows what. Oh God, I know the camera's watching this.
Okay. So now I'm gonna do MAC. Is this from the MAC guy or from the MAC store?
I think that's from the MAC store.
Do you really use this for your eyes? Okay,
nope.
So garbage. All about the brow life, because you have brow everything. See, this is good. So right before you do your brow, this is a spoolie. You can spool out your brows like this. And then that's when you go in here and then you just fill in what's missing. So yeah, this is good. You can keep this. Eyeliner is always good. All right, so you. Look. ¿A dónde está la tapa?
You can see through it.
I found the tapa. All right, girl.
Do we throw it back in here?
Yeah, let's throw this all back here. So what we're gonna do one day is you're gonna get yourself a real makeup bag.
And I'm gonna do it today. This is today. Today.
You're gonna get you a real makeup bag.
Okay.
We're gonna organize what you need,
And what
you
I
don't
don't
need, and we're gonna throw out some of the stuff that is garbage. For example, this. There's something in there. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we already got her foundation picked out.
That's from the MAC guy.
I smell it. That looks like paste on her face. That literally looks like paste on your... Oh, Lord Jesus, please don't... If you want to use this because you spent money on it, use it with a darker foundation and put a little bit of this and you can mix it in with this. And that's how you're going to use it because this is way too white for you. He's trying to make you like the floor right over there. And that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys like part one of the 3 videos that I have coming up this week. The reason why I wanted to film this video is to let you guys know that I do offer this. If you guys want, you can contact me down below. I'm gonna leave my email address, and of course I can go through your makeup, suggest what to buy, fit it into a budget, and then of course teach you how to use these products, and at the same time go through a trial run and have you try it. And I'm also going to link down below. I'm going to start a vlog channel that's going to be about my personal life. So if you guys want to follow that, you can go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell as well, so you guys stay informed when I upload. If you guys are interested in the service and want to contact me about pricing or what you will like, or if you want to learn something in particular, of course you can put that down below and we can schedule a time that works for the both of us. Once again, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel or to my vlog channel that is going to be linked down below, and be a part of Team Rebs, and we can start a revelation together. Just us, you know. I love you guys, and I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week, and stay tuned for these videos that I have coming up. Of course, I want to give a big thanks to Marjory and a big thanks to Adri for being a part of my video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.